Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. This is a 2023 Adam 2-horse straight load bumper pull. This is an all aluminum trailer with a pressure treated wood floor, white in color. I'm actually on the wrong side of the trailer, so I'm going to go around to the other side to give you specifics. It's going to be, I believe, 6'8" wide. I need to do a measurement though, so don't hold me to any of the measurements on the video. You need to go to carolinatrailersales.com to check on that. It's got 2 drop down windows. It's got the V-nose. It's got the gravel guard across the front. It's a 2-inch ball. So 2-inch ball. Yep, upside down. 2-inch ball. 2 windows in the nose of the dressing room. 3 windows in the nose of the dressing room. It's got a running board here to be able to step up to that window. That window again does drop. It's got a ramp with Dutch doors. Those doors do clip back in transit if needed for ventilation. Stepping up in, it's got the mangers, sliders on the rear, two roof vents. It's got the airflow head dividers, padding on all the walls and the divider. This does have the walk-through door to the front. So that is the way you do exit once you load a horse, is the walk-through door here in the middle. 2 tie rings per stall. It actually has a tie ring also in the manger. Has the butt bars are here. So drop down windows on both sides. Has a dressing room. The dressing room does have a camper door with a window. This trailer is 7'6" tall, I can tell you that. It's the 7'6" tall. The width I've got to check for you. So 2 windows in the nose, window over here. Your saddle racks are here underneath on both sides. And again, that walk-through door from the front to the back. Again, this is a lightly used 2023 Adam 2-horse straight load bumper pull. This is Ashley. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500 for pricing and all the correct measurements on this trailer. Please go to carolinatrailersales.com. Thanks a lot.